Hello guys, today on bike check day I'm going to be showing you what I did to do this bike that I've since you've last seen it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Know this as Project Liquid, and as you saw in the last video, I converted it to a 1x. It's not going so well right now. I had to get a narrow wide chainring for the front, so it's gonna be coming soon. But I added these pedals. They are Gusset platform pedals. I pulled them off the bike. I pulled this off of. This is a Rockshox XC30 TK Silver TK, powered by SRAM with lockout, preload, and a rebound down at the bottom. Now it's a hydraulic coil fork. I got the whole bike for 50 bucks that I pulled this off of. It happened to be just a hair longer, so I added another spacer to it. And so this ended up not costing me much because the bike it came off of had a disc brake on the back, a few rotors I could have used, some rims, which is the one on the front is off of that Iron Horse. So basically the whole bike cost me 50 bucks. I even got a spare trigger shifter for my other Trek, so that's good as well. It's my race face ride stem. I bought this a while ago, never used it, but it's a 31.8mm clamp on the front, so I had to change the handlebars if I wanted to use this. So basically I went over to Kamikaze Bikes and bought these for $45. They're Kona riser bars. They're 730 millimeters, and they are wide. And I'm gonna cut them down eventually, but they are what they are, and they are wide as hell. In addition to the front brake, I had to retap the threads on the bolts, and they're just being held in by this now, which is kind of ghetto, but it works. So it is Loctited in there as well, so it keeps it from coming out, coming loose. The original bolts that came with this brake stripped the threads in the caliper mount, which I was very frustrated with once I put this on. So it's been long overdue for the front brake being retapped.